Welcome to NextGen Finance. We stand at the edge of a new era. 2025 isn't just another year, it's the beginning of the true AI economy. The question is no longer if artificial intelligence will change our lives, but how you can leverage it to achieve financial freedom. Forget everything you think you know about side hustles. Today, we're not just talking about earning extra cash, we're providing a blueprint for making a consistent $100 a day every single day using the power of AI. This isn't a get-rich-quick fantasy. This is the future of work, and it's arriving faster than you think. Stick with me for the next 9 minutes, and I'll show you 3 practical, powerful methods to turn artificial intelligence into your personal income stream.
First up, becoming an AI-powered content creator. Content is still king, but the throne room has had a major tech upgrade. By 2025, AI won't just be correcting your grammar, it will be your co-writer, your researcher, and your brainstorming partner. Imagine launching a niche blog, say about sustainable urban living or vintage tech restoration. You provide the unique ideas and the human touch, while an AI tool like TextFlow or CogniScribe generates well-researched, SEO-optimized articles in minutes, not hours. Your job shifts from writer to editor-in-chief. You guide the AI, fact-check its output, and infuse your unique personality into the final piece. Monetization? Display ads through networks like AdThrive, or more powerfully, affiliate marketing. Your AI can help you write compelling product reviews, and you earn a commission on every sale. Don't like writing? The same principle applies to faceless YouTube channels. Use AI to generate scripts, AI voice generators for the narration, and AI video editors to sync it with stock footage. One person can now manage a portfolio of 5, even 10 content streams. Hitting that $100 a day mark becomes a simple numbers game.
Method 2 is for the visually creative, even if you can't draw a stick figure. Welcome to the world of the AI digital artisan. In 2025, the barrier to creating beautiful, marketable art will be completely gone. Your imagination is the only limit. Using advanced text-to-image models, you can become a master of prompt engineering, the new art form of describing an image to an AI in such a way that it produces a masterpiece. Think cyberpunk Renaissance painting of a cat drinking coffee, cinematic lighting, hyper-realistic. The AI does the heavy lifting. But where's the money? Print on demand. You create these incredible designs, then upload them to services that handle all the printing, packing, and shipping. You can sell custom t-shirts, mugs, posters, and more on platforms like Etsy or your own Shopify store. You don't hold any inventory. You only create the digital file. This isn't just about t-shirts. Businesses will pay for unique branding assets, logos, and social media graphics. You can offer a custom AI logo pack on a freelance site for $150. A few sales a week, and you've already surpassed your $100 a day goal with zero overhead.
Our third method is perhaps the most powerful because it's about leverage. I want you to stop thinking like an employee and start thinking like a system operator. This is about building your own AI-powered micro-agency. Small businesses are drowning in data and repetitive tasks they don't have the manpower for. That's where you come in. You can offer services like AI-powered market research reports. A task that used to take a team a week, you can now complete in a few hours by directing an AI to scrape and analyze public data, identify trends, and summarize findings. Or how about automated social media management? Use AI to generate post ideas, write captions, and schedule content for a dozen clients at once. You're not selling your time anymore. You're selling an efficient AI-driven result. Using no-code automation platforms, you can build custom workflows for businesses, automating their invoicing, customer support, or lead generation. You set it up once and get paid a retainer fee every month. By outsourcing the work to AI, you can manage multiple clients simultaneously, scaling your income far beyond what a traditional freelancer could ever dream of.
So we have the content engine, the digital artisan, and the micro agency. 3 distinct paths, all leading to that $100 a day goal. But how do you actually start? Here's your blueprint. First, choose the path that excites you the most. Don't chase the money, chase the interest. You'll be more likely to stick with it. Second, master one core AI tool in that field. Don't get distracted by every new app. If you choose content, become an expert in a single AI writer. If art, master one image generator. Go deep, not wide. Third, build a small portfolio. Create a sample blog. Design 10 pieces of art, or build one automation workflow for yourself. You need proof of concept. And finally, and this is crucial, market the result you provide, not the hours you work. Don't say, "I'll write for you." Say, "I'll get your blog to 10,000 monthly views using an AI-optimized content strategy." The shift to AI is a shift from selling time to selling value, and that is the key to unlocking higher income.
The tools and strategies we've talked about today aren't science fiction. They are the building blocks of tomorrow's economy, and you can start learning them right now. The future doesn't wait for anyone. The choice to be a part of it is yours. If this video sparked an idea, hit that like button, and for more strategies on how to build wealth in this new technological age, make sure you subscribe to NextGen Finance. Now, I want to hear from you. Comment below, which of these 3 methods are you most excited to try? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the future.